Alright, so after 3,000 miles of patio table burnouts, hauling engines, and the truck straight piping itself, we still got more oil pressure than we did with the 500-mile oil that did not have Lucas in it. So without further ado, let's drain this oil and see how it looks in comparison. Damn, that is sure of a hell of a lot better. Maybe. What is this? Right here. Alright, now that is an interesting look. That looks like a ton of sludge. It's like tar. The drain plug looks like that. Inside of the engine probably does too. Send it. Why are we hearing some interesting sounds from this engine? I hear a little lifter taking a little piston slap. What in the world? I gotta get this thing off the ramps. What in the world? Yeah, that would be a lifter take on the passenger side or an exhaust manifold leak on that side. So yeah, there's where the exhaust blew out right there. That happened only a few days ago. That better not be coming from the oil pan. Alright, so it's been running for a little bit. The ticking went away, but I hear something else rattling down there. But I think it's fine. I think it's just more than likely another exhaust leak. But I'm not gonna lie, I have PTSD. Thank you guys for watching.